Hello, darling. Today I'm going to show you how I made this bare branch Easter tree, just using branches and some eggs, so stick around. So I challenged myself to make Easter decorations without spending any money. So that meant I had to use what I had or things from outside. So I thought, Easter tree, branches, eggs, glitter, glue, perfect. So this is how I made it, and I can't wait to show you. Supplies for this craft are blown out eggs, decoupage glue, wire, craft paint, X-Acto knife, decorative gold cardstock, beads, paintbrush, and glitter. Before painting our eggs, we're going to thread our wire through the hollow eggs. Then we're going to proceed to paint our eggs half at a time. So we're going to paint one half, let that dry, and then paint the other half. You can paint several eggs at once and let the others dry. While the paint dries on my eggs, I cut out some free-form star shapes from the gold foil paper. The next step is to apply our glitter, so coat each egg with a thick layer of glue and sprinkle on your glitter. Be sure to use a paper to catch all that glitter and put it back in your bottle. Once the glitter is dry on the eggs, we can add our gold stars to the bottom and our beads to the top. Create a loop at the top of the wire so you can string your thread through and make a hanger for your egg. Now gather your branches for making your Easter egg tree. I decide to give my branches a little pop of color with some green craft paint. Once your branches are dry, add your eggs, and there you go. Beautiful and easy and cheap Easter tree. And that is how we make our Easter egg tree. I hope you like this video, and if you try this project, please tag me. I'd love to see your project. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.